back to my channel. It's time to cleanse our organs, to cleanse our system, all those bad stuff that we have built up in our system. It's time to cleanse it with this alkaline juice so we all can stay healthy and maintain healthy life. So I'm going to show you guys, walk you through step by step how to make this powerful juice that you can drink for 3 days to cleanse your organs, to cleanse your system truly. Before we start, I'm gonna let you know, guys, that this juice you can drink it once a month to really cleanse your system, to cleanse your organs. It's very good. And our first ingredient is actually pineapple. Yes, pineapple is very good for cleansing. It has an enzyme that cleans, help you to to fight bacteria and all those bad stuff in your system. So pineapple is very good. So we're gonna use not only the inside of the pineapple, but we're also gonna use the outside of the pineapple. So we're not throwing anything as far as I'm concerned. So you have to make sure that you wash your pineapple very well with water, and cut it in small, in small pieces, not really small, but in a small pieces where you able to actually boil it, because we're gonna go ahead and boil this the skin of this pineapple, so that way we get all the enzyme that it's in the pineapple that will fight infection, will fight all bacterias, all bad bacteria in our system. So it's very good and very important that you take steps to cleanse well the skin of the pineapple and boil it. So we're gonna boil the pineapple, and I'm gonna use 4 cups of water to boil the pineapple. As you can see now, I'm putting the skin of pineapple inside the water, and I'm gonna boil it. So while I'm boiling it, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the rest of the pineapple. So it's very important that you do that, so that way you get all the enzyme, all the nutrients that comes with pineapple. So we're gonna use almost the whole pineapple for this recipe, for 2 days. It's very intense 2 days juice that will really cleanse you truly. So if you're watching this video and you have not subscribed to my channel yet, girl, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel to see more of the video like this, like really, so we all can stay healthy. And please share my video with friends and family. You never know who needs this, guys. You never know, but I would suggest you to please share my video to friends and family so we all can stay healthy. And please don't forget to press the notification button, so every time I post my video, you'll be notified. You'll be the first one to be notified. So as you can see now, I'm going ahead and remove the pineapple and put it aside and go to the next ingredient. Please watch this video all the way through so you can see exactly how I'm gonna come out with our juice. Okay, so now that our next ingredient is celery. So celery, it's very good actually. It has a lot of properties that helps you to cleanse you truly. So I cannot stress enough, I'm using actually one bunch of celery, but yeah, as you can see, so I wash it thoroughly. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off and put it aside. Yeah, so celery has a lot of cleansing properties that will really help you to cleanse your system truly. Like, this is why I'm adding it to this intense juice, that it's really gonna help you to cleanse your system. Like, you need to drink this, guy. You need to use it to make this. You need it at least once a month. Like, it's gonna cleanse your system truly. It's gonna cleanse your organ. All the bad bacteria, all everything that it's not good in your system will be flushed out just by drinking this intense juice. So as you can see, I cut it in small pieces, and I'm gonna put it aside, and I'm gonna go to my next ingredient. So my next ingredient is cucumber. Our next ingredient, like I said, it's cucumber. Cucumber, it's very alkalized ingredients in this juice, the science are proven that it really prevent and helps you fight all those bad cells like cancer cells, like anything. Cucumber, it's very, very, very healthy as far as cleansing your system. So I'm gonna use one cucumber and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it in small pieces. Guys, like I said, this juice is very, very powerful, because the product that I'm using, the ingredient I'm using, really has that cleansing property that can help you to fight all bacteria, to fight all bad cells, to fight all those stuff that doesn't belong in your system, so to keep you fresh, to keep you healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead and make, like as I said, I cut it off and I'm gonna put it aside. And now we're gonna go to our last ingredient. Yes, so like I was saying, ginger is very, very powerful ingredient when it comes to cleansing your system. It actually break down all the bad stuff that build up in your system. Like ginger really go through and break down all the bad stuff and flush it out. So mixing all these ingredients, all three together, it's like magic juice. Like it's very natural, it's alkaline juice that that your system really, really needs, to clean you properly, all those bad stuff, that people, some, I see some people that you cannot even stay next to them because of the smell that comes out on their mouth or whatever in their pores. So this really helps. So you see there, I was, my pineapple is, it's boiling, and now I'm gonna go ahead and mix all these ingredients together. Guys, I'm telling you, this intense cleansing juice, it's very, very, very powerful, that you really need this. And it does not really take a long time to make it. And really think about your health, think about what this juice is gonna do in your system. It really is gonna keep you clean and keep you healthy. So I'm gonna go ahead now and cleanse, my water that I took from the pineapple, because we're not adding any regular other water. So we're putting the water that we boiled from the pineapple. So I'm gonna use the all 4 cups of water that I collect from the pineapple, and now I'm mixing it. As you can see, I'm gonna put it aside. I just want to make sure that I mix all the ingredients together before I start to to take the juice out from the stuff that I'm mixing. So after I mix that, and you can see, I'm gonna put, again, I add the rest of the water and the fruits, everything together. And now, as you can see, I am actually taking the juice out, because we need the juice, but all the fiber, guys, do not throw the fibers, because you need that fiber too, right? So what I usually do, I will collect the fiber and then put it aside. I can use it for juicing or for smoothie in the morning, and it does really, really help. So you don't throw anything here, guys. So do not throw the fiber. It's very, very good, because your body needs fiber as well. So as you can see, I'm collecting all the juice out. I'm gonna take the juice out and then keep my fiber aside. subscribed to my channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead, subscribe to my channel, share my video with your friends and family so we all can stay healthy. And don't forget to press the notification button so every time I post a video you'll be notified, so we all can stay healthy with this amazing recipe that I have for you guys. So leave me the comment down below, what do you want to see, or what you wanted me to make a video for next time. So I'll be more than happy to do that. As you can see now, I finished collecting my juice, and I got a good amount of the juice out of the four cups that I put in. And this is the fiber that I'm definitely not gonna throw away. I'm just gonna keep it in the fridge and use it for my smoothie next time. And this is the amount of juice that came out of the four cups and all those ingredients that I use. So it's very powerful. As you can see, it's easy to make. You can make it in a good 10 minutes and you have your juice, and you drink this intense cleanse smoothie once a month to really cleanse you. And it really works, guys. You don't need anything else to cleanse your system. You need this. Like, this is, it's very, very powerful. So now I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my, my juice. Like, when I drink it, it smells so good, it tastes so good. Like, it's very cleansing. What I do, I just keep in the fridge, like, with that cold of, it's just really, really good. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Like I said, share with friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more video like this. And I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye.